It's Eric Nevaeh from Eric Nevaeh Legal. I'm here to answer some questions that we've received. The first question is there a small business exception to the heavy vehicle national law's duty of safety? The short answer is no. There are no exceptions based on the size or scope of your business, and that is consistent with workplace health and safety regulations that also have a similar duty of safety. There are, however, factors that limit the scope of your liability and consequently any penalties that you have as a consequence of breach. The first limiting factor is that an individual must be a party to the chain of responsibility. If the nature and description of your role in relation to a heavy vehicle or fleet of heavy vehicles does not meet the definition of a party to the chain of responsibility as defined in the Act, you do not have the duty of safety. The other aspect is, if you are a party to the chain of responsibility, you are only required to take those steps that are reasonably practical, as opposed to every step that is foreseeable. That still doesn't really give you much guidance. And for guidance, I would say the starting point is the master code that's been issued by the National Heavy Vehicle Regulator. The pages in the master code take individuals through various risk factors and suggest some reasonably practical steps that you could implement. Whether you can implement them, of course, depends on your resources as a business.